In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with SSL on Squarespace. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, is what puts the little padlock next to your site's URL and switches it from HTTP to HTTPS. It encrypts data, builds visitor trust, and can even help with search visibility. Squarespace makes SSL setup straightforward, and I'll walk you through the exact clicks to get it done confidently. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, choose the specific website you want to secure. If you manage multiple sites, double check you've opened the correct one because the settings we're about to adjust apply at the site level. From your site dashboard, open Settings. This is where Squarespace keeps most of the global controls for your site. Next, navigate to Developer Tools. Don't worry, you don't have to write any code here. Squarespace simply organizes some advanced site options under this area. Inside Developer Tools, click on SSL. This page controls how your site handles secure connections. You'll see options for how your site serves traffic, and this is where we'll turn on the strongest protections. Choose Secure Preferred. This setting ensures your site loads over HTTPS by default and redirects visitors from HTTP to HTTPS automatically. Right below that, enable HSTS Secure. HSTS stands for HTTP Strict Transport Security. It tells browsers to always connect to your site securely, which helps prevent certain types of network attacks and eliminates mixed mode requests. Only turn this on after you're confident your pages load over HTTPS without issues because it's a strict instruction that browsers will remember for a while. After selecting Secure, Preferred, and HSTS Secure, click Save to apply the changes. Squarespace will provision and manage the SSL certificate for you automatically, typically through a trusted provider. This process can take a few minutes to fully propagate. To confirm everything worked, open your site in a fresh browser window or an incognito tab, look for the padlock in the address bar, and make sure the URL begins with HTTPS. If you still see a warning, it usually means there's mixed content where something on the page, like an image, script, or embed, is loading over HTTP. Update those links to HTTPS within code blocks, custom CSS, or any third-party embed settings. Also, ensure your custom domain is properly connected in your domain settings. SSL can't finalize if a domain's DNS isn't pointing to Squarespace correctly. That's it. With SSL active and HSTS enabled, your site is safer, faster to trust, and ready for visitors. Save your changes, verify the padlock, and you're good to go.